परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। इस परचम के साए तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। सांझी अपनी खुशियाँ।
Assalamualaikum everyone. On behalf of FinFin, we welcome you all to this celebration of Pakistan's 78th Independence Day. We are honored to have with us today to lead this celebration His Excellency Bilal Hai, the Ambassador of Pakistan to Sweden and Finland. Welcome, Mr. Ambassador. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Ambassador. We also welcome the Deputy Mayor of Vanta, Ms. Rekha Strand, and thank her for taking the time to join us on a very short notice. We also appreciate the city of Vanta for providing such excellent services and venues for communities to use for their activities. Welcome, Ms. Rekha. Pakistan shares a deep historical bond and love with the great nation of Turkey. We consider Turkey as our closest brothers. We are honored to have with us today the representative of Turkey. Please give a very warm Pakistani welcome to our brother, Honorable Under Secretary Mr. Burton Mantiksi, Embassy of Turkey. And it warmed my heart to see the kindness and love with which our Azerbaijan brothers accepted our invitation. They will be sharing with us their traditional music and performance as a gift to Pakistani community here. Please welcome the Azerbaijan delegation with all your love. A special welcome also to the friend of Pakistan who have joined us. We welcome Larry Kangas, Honorary Consul General, South Africa. David Okilo, CEO of Andasia Africa Network, Development on Sustainable Economic Activities, and his whole team. Welcome. We welcome also Rafika Alek from Tunisia of African European Association for joining us in this celebration. Rafika is a human rights activist and integration expert. Welcome, Rafika, here. A special thanks to PSA Pakistani Student Association for their support and collaboration. PinFin has always tried to continue to promote students, enable and help them in moving forward and upward. Our collaboration with PSA is especially to build bridges between the senior Pakistanis and the new Pakistani students. So together with our experience and the students' fresh ideas and energy, the Pakistani community can do even more amazing wonders. Last but not least, every event takes months of hard work and dedication from many people. We want to acknowledge and thank our volunteers who gave their valuable time and efforts tirelessly for the great good of the Pakistani. You are our heroes. Please join me on stage, the PinFin team, if you are here. Okay. Yes, this is PinFin team. Thank you so much from my side, and I hope you will enjoy this show.
The reason we're doing this acknowledgement in the beginning is that these are the people who make things happen. We're just coordinating, and these are the real soldiers. And every time what happens is that in the end everyone's so tired, so we made sure that we acknowledge their contribution in the very beginning so that we go with not a heavy heart, because these are the real soldiers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
और बहुत सारे लोग कैमरे के पीछे भी होते हैं, अभी हॉल में भी हैं, और सबसे बड़ी कंट्रीब्यूशन उनकी भी होती है जो ज्वाइन करते हैं इवेंट को. तो सबको वेलकम योम आज़ादी का.
Thank you. I know, first of all, sincere apologies from my part, and I am completely to blame. You can stone me, tomato वगैरह आप लोग फेंक सकते हैं, but I'm so sorry. This is completely on me. Okay, I got stuck with something I forgot, and I couldn't I was not on time to bring Mr. Ambassador, and that's what has caused the delay. So, sincere apologies from me, please. Right. So I'll not bore you anymore. I know we're already delayed quite a bit. So I'll just take 1 minute to explain what PinFin is about and what we're trying to do. So PinFin has been around since 2001, and we're trying to create a culture of togetherness. So it's not just about having events, but what we want to have is shared values, because it's not about where you're coming from, but when we live together, for example, in Finland, which is our adopted home, so we share a lot of values, and we've adopted a lot of values from our brothers and sisters in Finland. And we have combined shared values. We're trying to create a culture where every one of us feels at home. And something that is so important, because in this age of AI, where everybody is connected, but the human touch is lost. So we need to try to work a bit on the human connections. So these events are designed in a way to get more and more people to meet together, be curious about each other, learn about each other, and be more human as a society. I'll stop there because we're already late. So thank you once again, and let's start the celebration, please. Thank you.